Ready? 1, 2, 3. You got it. Everybody deserves a second, third, and fourth shot. Yes, indeed. Kimbara, Kimbara, mama, mama, mama. Man, you got come back.
No, you can't control yourself
any longer.
Come on, shake your body, baby.
Do that tongue back.
No, you can't control yourself
any longer. Check it. Yes, indeed. In la piel. Ladies and gentlemen, come on, applause, 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 applause. Yes, indeed. It is time to turn the heat up. I know you guys have been enjoying our main presentation for tonight. If I'm correct, somebody say, yeah, man. Yeah, man. Loving it. We're going to turn the heat up. Parents are going to ask you to hold on to the kids. It's all about the fire spectacular for tonight. Please, we be playing with fire. So parents, hold on to the kids. Kids, you got to step back. Find mommy and daddy. Hold on to the kids, please. And thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Please, parents, adults, just hold on to the kids. Hold on to the kids. Keep them with you. We're going to turn the heat up right now, ladies and gentlemen. Everybody, when I say more, you say fire. More! 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 Ladies and gentlemen, we give to you. Hey, hold on to the kids. Fireman said, hold on to the kids. He's not going to come out until the kids are back. Please. When we play the ghost so very dangerous. Ladies and gentlemen, everybody, make some noise for the man Ever. The fireman, come on, give it up for the man Ever. Fire! Let's go! Oh, fire! You hear that? Parents, hold on to the kids. Kids, do not try this at home. He's a trained professional. Looks like fire, ladies and gentlemen. Later on, he's going to show you why he's called the last fire-breathing dragon. Check it out! Oh! Ladies and gentlemen, in the meantime, everybody, make some noise for the man Ever. Come on, everybody, give it up, give it up, give it up for the man Ever. Applause! Fire! Check it out. Okay. Looks like fire. Believe me, tastes like chicken. Wanna hear those hands? I just clap to the beat. Everybody just clap, clap, clap. Wanna hear those hands? Everybody from the left to the right, on the beach, then out in the field. Everybody from the DJ, from the top. Everybody, come on, I just clap to the beat. Hey, you're not holding the phones, not holding the babies. I just clap to the beat. Clap, clap, and a clap, clap. Wanna hear those hands? You're gonna show the man some love, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you. Here, here, here. If your hands are tight, you can just one, one. So my friend in the white, just use the anacap fear on. It's okay, just use the anacap fear on now. Ready? One, and just fear on now. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Check it out. Again, parents, hold on to the kids. Check this out. The last fire-breathing dragon. Fire. Wonderful, ladies and gentlemen. Come on, make some noise for the man ever. Come on, give it up, give it up. Applause, wonderful. Yeah, everybody. The man called Ever, the fireman. Fire. Come on, everybody give it up for the man ever. Yeah, everybody, come on. Everybody make some noise for Ever the fireman. Come on. Yeah. Ladies and gentlemen, it is time now to light the bonfire. We invite you to meet us on that side and then we're going to meet here. Then we continue the rest of the beach party. So everybody follow the entertainment team. We can light the bonfire. If you're sitting down on the side, we gotta ask you to just stand up just a bit. It is time to light the bonfire. Fire!
Nigeria never Madrid. I bet you, first I don't know. Nigeria never Madrid.
You see the performers. Everybody make some noise for everyone. Come on alongside the whole performers. Let's take time out quickly to introduce to you the dancers. First up, you ready for the man again, ladies and gentlemen. With applause for the man again. Come on, with the man again. Come on, give it for the man again. Yeah, we have enough man. Good. Now, yo, Jackson 5, big up. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, no problem. The DJ's ready. Yeah, here. Stand right here. Pants are so tight, buddy. Squeezing me. Oops, sorry. These are tighter. Stand right here. Mine. Hey, buddy, what's your name? Where you from?
Maurice from Moose Jaw, Saskatchewan.
Everybody give it up for Maurice from Moose Jaw, Saskatchewan. Come on, applause. Wonderful. On the stage. What's your name, buddy? Where you from?
Yard man there, man. How are you, yourself?
Yard man there. What's your name?
Tim.
Tim. Everybody applause for Tim.
I'm Fetchy from Ottawa.
Fetchy from Ottawa.
Marlon from London.
Marlon, London, England. Trinity, the crowd favorite. Yeah, what's your name?
Rennie from Guyana.
Rennie from Guyana. Hold on. Who's celebrating the birthday? Who's celebrating the birthday? What's your name? What's your name? Sayana, happy birthday to you from your personal waitress, the beautiful lady in the trees. Everybody make some noise for the birthday girl, Sayana. Come on, give it up for Sayana. Applause. Happy birthday, Sayana. All right, we're gonna come to the party. Later on, we're gonna see everybody shaking, you know what I'm saying? All right, who is birthday? What's your name? Happy birthday to Lynn. Everybody make some noise to Lynn, the birthday girl. Come on, give it up for Lynn, the birthday girl. Who else? Who else? Who else? Anybody birthday? Anybody? All right, happy birthday. Yeah, man. All right. Now, we get to meet the guys. Listen up carefully. It's simple, it's easy. There's this one dance in Jamaica. It's the main reason why we are overpopulated. I'm going to show you why. Even though we're going through a recession, but hey, you know what? Ain't it? I'm going to show them this. Let's go. Eh? You want to show them? All right, come in, Auntie. Ready? All right. Ready? All right. So it's easy, it's simple. It's all about the waistline. So guys, follow what we do. All right, so a cappella style, we're going to go to the left, right, back, and front. Cent, waistline, 5 cents. Follow what we do. Follow what we do. Back and front. One more time. Left, right, back, front. Okay. Left, right. One more time. Back and front. Cent, 5 cents, 10 cents. Dollar. We're gonna put this on the rhythm. Everybody clap to the beat. Clap to the beat. Come on. Everybody just clap to the beat. ENT, ready for the beat? Everybody just clap to the beat. Let's go. Come on. Left, right, back, front. Cent, 5 cents, 10 cents. Dollar. Cent, 5 cents, 10 cents. Audience, come on. Cent, 5 cents. All right. Now for this part, the last part, all the big money to the front. Let's go. Dollar, 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 dollar. He said dollar up to and spend pound. Alright, guys, give it up for the entertainment team. Come on, give it up, give it up, give it up. So guys, you understand what to do. Hey buddy, what's your favorite animal? Get up a bit. What's your favorite animal?
Sphinx cat.
What's that? Alright, give me the sound of the Sphinx cat. Sound.
Cat with no hair.
What's the sound of the cat?
Son of a cat.
The sound of that cat, quickly. Oh, what the hell is that? DJ, work with that and let my sound. Work with it. Audience, should I work with that or should I lend him a sound from my pocket? If you say lend him a sound, say yeah man. Alright, when I ask you the sound of the fence cat without the hair and I give you the microphone, you say give me that sound. Alright, let's work with that. Yo, hey, one. What's your favorite animal?
Bulldog, man, bulldog.
Bulldog, give me the sound of the bulldog, quickly. Alright! What's your favorite animal? Wolf. Hey, Wolf, give me the sound. Alright, what's your favorite animal? Cat. No, he went with a cat. You gotta give me something else, man. A who? A monkey. Sound. Alright, we work with that. What's your favorite animal? Goat. No, they don't understand. They speak English. He said goat. In English, goat. He's like goat. So let me ask you again, the favorite animal? Goat. A goat. Sound of a goat. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, you've seen them for yourself. What on there? Where's Guyana? Where's Shreddy? Where's Shreddy? Come here, Shreddy. Shreddy, come here, man. Shreddy, come here. Shreddy. Come here, Shreddy. You're the mash of the place. Alright, hold on, Shreddy. What's your favorite animal? Donkey. A donkey! Level it. Give me the sound of the donkey. Hee-haw. Yeah, donkey's tush. Hee-haw. Try the lamb. Let's go again. Hee-haw. Alright, listen up. I'm gonna send them one by one to do the dance. They're gonna go left, right, back, front. I'm gonna give them the microphone. Now, when they go to the front, they have to give me the sound of the favorite animal. Then you're gonna vote for your favorite. For example, if my animal is, I've got all the songs. Give me animal, quick. Any animal, quick. Any animal. I heard a pig over, pig, all right, pig. I heard a pig over here, and over there. I work on a pig. A pig? Okay, I'll try. So, what? All right, so you gotta go left, right, back. Something like that. Jenny, don't leave. Come here. We're gonna do this quickly. DJ's ready to party with everybody right up until 1 in the morning. Shout out to all the birthday folks in the house. I am ready. Are you ready? Somebody say yeah. Run the rhythm, DJ. Everybody, get to the beat. Come on. Left, right. Whoa. What the hell are you doing? This guy should go left, right. He's like, buddy, left, right, back, and no, you don't say front, you say the animal. No, you're not a donkey, you don't say ER. What's your animal? Let's work with that, no hesitation. Remember your animal. Rhythm up, let's go! 5, let's go, come on. Left, right, back. Left, right, back. Left, right, back. Left, right, back. What animal is that? All to the front. All right, make some noise, man. Come on, give it up. Yeah, man, kill it. Remember the front, you gotta go. Sound, all right? What is the animal? The bulldog. Sound again. Ready? Everybody, get to the beat. Left, right, back. Left, right, back. Left, right, back. Left, right, back. Forget this. All this to the front. You ready? Here we go. Ladies and gentlemen, make some noise. Come on. Yeah. Hey, the bulldog body. Yes. Come here. Say that again. Oh, which one? Bulldog or him? Hey, listen. That's my man. Bulldog. Hey, ladies and gentlemen, if you're walking on the blocks tonight, going back to the room and you hear, you know what's happening. And if tomorrow morning you go to breakfast, and you get in breakfast here, you getting all the stuff in the plate, and you see this guy, don't say good morning. What are you gonna say? You ready, buddy? What's your animal again? Wolf. Wolf! Rhythm, no hesitation. Everybody, come to the beat. Let's go. Come on. Left and a right and a back. Right, you gotta go all the way to the front. Left, right, all the way to the front. Left, right, back. All the to the front. The wolf started too early. Come on, give it up for the wolf. Come on, give it up. Hey, come in. Look at here, friend. What's your animal?
I was a monkey.
I was a monkey. What are you now? You still the monkey. You want to change it? You sure? You sure? Not even a cow? No? The monkey. I give you 10 more seconds. You want to think about it? The monkey. Okay. Ready? Ready? Get it. Everybody, clap to the beat. Come on, let's clap. Left, yes. Right, yes. Back. Left, right, back. Right, back.
Forget this small change, give me big money.
Everybody make some noise! on, what's your animal? Quickly. Goat. Goat! Give me the sound again. Man. Alright, no hesitation. Everybody, come on, clap for the dog. Come on, let's go. Left, right, back. Man. Left, right, back. Left, right, back. Left, yes, right, back. On it to the front.
Small change, give me big money, wine.
Ladies and gentlemen, make some noise for the coach! Yes! Shredded! 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 So we got the donkey, a donkey? Where you from again, Diana? Hey, we're gonna see a Guyanese donkey tonight. Hey, donkey! Hey, donkey! Step forward! Hey, donkey! You ready? 5, 4, 3, 2. Everybody just clap to the beat. Clap for last contestant. Left, right, back. What the hell? Hold on. Now a silent donkey. Bro. Say it again.
Yeehaw, 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 yeehaw.
You ready? Rhythm, no hesitation. Everybody, come on. Left, right, come on, back.
Yeehaw,
Left, right, back.
yeehaw,
Left, right. Come on, Diana.
Forget this small change, give me big money, wine.
yeehaw, 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 yeehaw. This is rock, you don't know this. Yo, from here, we don't really do the dancing thing, man.
Liatel. This a soca guy and I love soca. Soca to the bone. Yeah. Yes. 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 Alright, this guy said he wanna dance. Alright, Leslie and Victoria, where's public service announcement? Leslie and Victoria, your kids are looking for you. Leslie and Victoria, we ask you to meet us by the bar right now. Your kids are looking for you. The kids' names are called Cammy and Vanessa. Public service announcement brought to you by Red Stripe Girl Association at Acton Rock. Feel the vibes. Where is Leslie and Victoria? Your kids are looking for you. Leslie and Victoria. All right, it is time to vote. Step forward. My money is. What Jenny done? Jenny does. May and done. Well, donkey bray and done. Step forward. Donkey bray, donkey done. Step forward now. Let's vote. All right, the winner. Can I get a sponsorship tonight? Big boss. Can I get a sponsorship tonight? Contestant number 1. All right, you're in the lead so far. Number 2. Thank you for participating. You're free to go. Step forward, boss. You're now in the lead. What about number 3? All right, hold on. Step back. This is a bit weak. Number 4. Step forward, step forward. Sounds like a tie. Number 5! Alright, step forward, step back. Careful what you... Step back, watch your wire, watch your wire. Stay where you are. Trinity! Okay, just your wife and your sister-in-law. Trinity, big up here. Guyana to the world. Now, well on, man. Well, I'm so take care of the man. Thank you for participating. Which one of them for step forward? One of them? It's a tie between the two? Alright, step over here. Alright, scoot over this a bit. Step in the middle. Alright, good.
Last time, number 1. All right, loud applause. Somebody be eliminated. Number 2. Thank you for participating. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. All right, wonderful. Number 3. His applause is still louder. Thank you for being here on stage with me. Thank you. What about number 4? Sounds like a tie. Number 1. Number 2. Sounds like a tie. No. Step over here. Step over here. Step over here. You sure? Listen, leave that alone. Tell me Tashin. Those who say it's a tie, say tie. Dance off, say dance off. We're gonna do this for the ladies. Now, feel free to take the shirt off only. Get on the sand. You gotta get sexy. The aim is to impress the audience, and then we're gonna find the winner tonight, the sexiest animal. So we're gonna see a sexy bulldog, and we're gonna see a sexy goat. A sexy goat. Hey, the sexiest I've seen a goat is on a plate. You ready? Corey, it's up for Corey. No, you gotta go together. No, not together, but you're on this side, and you're on this side. And then the aim is to captivate the audience, and then we're gonna vote. So I'm gonna give you only 20 seconds. Alright, you gotta break it down. Magic Mike style, you know what I mean? You gotta go say, alright. So you got the ice. Yes. The baby oil, you know what I'm saying? Anytime DJ's ready, the guys should be ready. Here we go, my audience. Here we go, ready! Come on, take the shirt off. Take the shirt off! Take the shirt off! Take it off! Take the shirt off! Come on, take it off! On the ground! On the ground! On the ground! On the ground! Oh! On the ground! 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 5, 4, 8. Yo, wait, no sir. Yeah, you know who would have win this one? That guy right there with the muscles. He's looking like when I was in my 20s. All right, let's vote. Let's vote. Contestant number 1. Number 2. Wait. No, wait. Cause the DJ ready to party right now. The DJ's ready. No, the DJ ready. DJ ready. DJ ready. The DJ ready.
Yo, give me the rhythm, man. On the street, banging up the street, yo, niggas don't.
That's why I'm scared. All right. Oh my. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for your winner tonight. Come on, give it up. Yo, that was cool. Love it. And of course, give it up for contestant number 1. Come on, make some noise for the man. Come here. Make some noise for the man. Come on, give it up. All right, I've got a prize for you. All right, what's your name? Goblin. Shadow Light. All right, see you at the pool tomorrow. Shadow Lights. I got you covered. Come on, give it up for the man, Shadow Lights. And of course, we're gonna hook up with something. What's your name, bro? Marlon. All right, come on, everybody, give it up for the man, Marlon. Come on, everybody, give it up. And that's how we warm you up for the rest of the party. Now, everybody, step forward. The DJ said he's got something special for everybody. We're gonna turn the lights off right now. Everybody, follow me. Step forward. Follow me. We're gonna run up to the DJ right now. Everybody gonna face the DJ. Yo, General, ready there, man? Sure. Everybody face the DJ right now. Any track the DJ drop, I want to see all the hands in the air right now. Ladies and gentlemen, any track the DJ drop, anything at all. Follow the entertainment team. Everybody ready? Hands up, come on. Everybody hands up, come on. Ready? Follow it. Everybody ready? Ready. Sure. Everybody go, sir.
Brooklyn, you know the representation is always important for the presentation. So we got BAHIA TV, and that if you look for, that if you make your eyes them hook on BAHIA TV. Okay.